Gaining respect from others is a complex process that depends on various factors, including your actions, behavior, and how you carry yourself. Here are some general tips to help you earn respect from people. 1. Be authentic. Stay true to yourself and your values. People respect those who are genuine and honest. Avoid pretending to be someone you're not. 2. Show respect to others. Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their position or background. Show kindness, empathy, and consideration in your interactions. Respect is often reciprocal, and by demonstrating it, you are more likely to receive it in return. 3. Listen actively. Pay attention to others when they speak and show genuine interest in their thoughts and opinions. Listening actively and engaging in meaningful conversations demonstrates respect for others' viewpoints. 4. Be reliable and trustworthy. Keep your promises and commitments. Build a reputation for being dependable and trustworthy. Consistency in your actions and words helps establish trust and respect. 5. Maintain good communication. Express yourself clearly and assertively without being aggressive or disrespectful. Use appropriate language and tone, and be open to constructive feedback. 6. Display confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Project confidence in your body language, speech, and actions. People are more likely to respect those who exhibit self-assurance and assertiveness. 7. Be open-minded. Embrace diversity and different perspectives. Be willing to learn from others and consider alternative viewpoints. Avoid being dismissive or judgmental. 8. Demonstrate competence. Continuously work on improving your skills and knowledge in areas that matter to you. Becoming proficient in your field will earn you respect from peers and colleagues. 9. Be humble. Acknowledge your achievements but avoid bragging or being arrogant. Recognize the contributions of others and be willing to learn from them. 10. Maintain professionalism. Whether in personal or professional settings, conduct yourself with professionalism and integrity. Uphold ethical standards and treat others fairly. Remember, respect is not something that can be demanded but earned over time through consistent positive behavior and treating others well. It's important to be patient and focus on being the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching.